Why skilled trades at Humber College? Right here in Toronto, you'll find a unique, state-of-the-art facility that takes you beyond the traditional classroom and provides you with hands-on practice in a simulated worksite, giving you specialized skills and training from industry experts.
There are so many different things to know about the trade, so when students come in, they're all set up to represent and replicate what happens in the real world.
Unlimited career opportunities.
So the skilled trades at Humber College are fun,
innovative,
and exciting. So electricians are very high in demand and the pay is going to keep going up. Some electricians are even making more than engineers.
Take charge of your future. Visit humber.ca to get started.